Hi YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel and I'm back. I got my Boxycharm box, y'all. How y'all doing? What's going on? Y'all got my Boxycharm for the month of April. This is the base box. Everybody that don't know, which everybody and their mama know now, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription, $25 a box for the premium box. There it is, y'all. I ain't have to say it. I'm just letting y'all know. If anybody who haven't seen it want to know, that's what this is. Okay, before we get into the box, I also got my Luxssb for the month of April. If y'all don't mind me sharing this with you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Now for Luxssb, everybody don't know, it's a monthly perfume or fragrance. Let me get bougie with it. A monthly fragrance subscription. Yes, y'all. Where you get the get one, or you can choose 2 scents with the little case or without the case. It's totally up to you what you get. And I'll just show you. You can get 1 or 2 a month, or you just decide how you want to order it and how you want it. And if you want it every month, you can cancel it in at time. And all of them are expensive bougie fragrances. So this is what's in the box for this month. And what else in here, y'all? Okay, nothing but cards. I'll share the cards with y'all. Ooh, I cut them up. Ooh, Mason Sabery. I never heard of that, but I know it's, ooh, $185 a bottle. Y'all see that? I told y'all, bougie, expensive scents. Nativia. Gallivant. Ooh, these are $95 for 30 milliliters. And Montel. Montel is $215 for 3.3 ounces, 100 mils. Okay. All right. This will be the only way I will be getting and smelling like those, you know, scents. And if I have to get them every, well, 30 days supply usually lasts me almost 2 months. And I, you know, I'm just saying, because I'm a perfume addict and I have a lot. That's the truth. So anyway, let's see what scents I have for this month. If I didn't say, I think it's $14.95 for 1 and $19.95 or $19.99 for 2. Don't let me lie to y'all. Just go to Luxssb. Let me show y'all. Right here. Luxssb.com and look around on their site, y'all. Check it out. Okay, this is the first scent I have. Let's see what it is. Oh, Daisy Love. Yes. Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. Y'all, hold on. Right here. Right here, right here, right here. I have this fragrance. It is on my top shelf. Did I show it to you? I got too excited when I saw it was Daisy Love. I'm going to spray it just to be bougie. Ooh, yes, it still smells good. It's just the same exactly as the original. And I'm excited, y'all, about this one. I'm really excited because this one right here going in my purse. Okay, all right, let me calm down. We have, y'all, it's like a candy store. Okay, hold on, let me calm down. This is the container. Oh, let me tell y'all, you can get these for $9.95 a month if you don't choose to get this. This is your choice. You get the first one free, and if you want one every month, I think it's like $14.95, but you can just get this for $9 a month. You get one of these, the first one free, and you don't have to keep getting these. You know, that's your discretion. Anyway, the next scent is Masino Pink Couture. This is what this looks like. Pink Fresh Couture. I'm going to be smelling like a field of flowers when I finish this video. Ooh, that smells good. That smells good. I can't explain. I'm not good at explaining no descriptions, but yeah. Flowers. I said flowers. I didn't want to say flower, but it smells like I'm smelling a bouquet of flowers. It's really floral. Okay, all right. Let me move on. Let's see what the last one is, y'all, so we can get to this box. This is what the last case looks like. And then you just twist it up. And there is your surprise. Let's see, y'all. What is it? Nativia, Jamaica. How much did I just say this Nativia was? I'm curious because I don't have this scent and I've been eyeballing them. Was it a price on there? No. It's 3. I know Aruba, Jamaica, and St. Thomas. Let's see what this Jamaica smell like. That's one place I want to go, y'all. I want to go there. Ooh. That smells good. It's like slow and warm. Okay, Nativia, I like this. I like all 3 scents. Okay, I ain't gonna keep y'all here with me talking. I ain't gonna keep them. Stop. But I'm happy with all 3 fragrances. And if you like bougie, expensive scents, like I do, this is the best way to get them and to get a lot of them inexpensively, or at least to try them before you buy them. Okay, that way you won't end up with something that you don't really like, you know. Okay, let's move on. Y'all do see the elephant in the room. I got my Sephora stuff today. The big box came today, but I'm missing one more box with only 2 things. So I'm going to hold that until tomorrow. If it's not here by tomorrow, we're going to get in there, y'all. And I'm done with Sephora to the next sale by the end of the summer. Because I got, you know. Anyway, Boxycharm. This is what we're here for, right? Y'all know I love to talk. Y'all know I love to talk. Let's get in here and see what they doing this month. Y'all, I've been on the fence. So many of y'all told me y'all done with them. Y'all through with Boxycharm. And I'm just hanging on to Boxycharm. It's like a little lost child. I'm going to have to, you know, make up my mind what I'm going to do here sooner or later. I love Boxycharm though. I just really love this subscription. Okay, quit talking. This is the month. Sweet Treats. That's what it's called. And y'all know we don't have any variations. It's just a bunch of crazy numbers on the end. And the very first thing I see is Icy Sherbet Primer. A silicone-free cooling effect primer. That's what it says. Huh. Really? Let me see. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Lock your looks in place and hold them cool with the Icy Sherbet Primer. Let's see, how much is it? $32. I don't think I ever heard of this now. I got a few Touch and Soul products, but Icy Primer? Ooh, it's thick. Looks like it's a gel, but it's thick. It looks like some Vaseline or something. Let me see. Oh, it's cool. Hold on, let me put top on there. Let me play with this. This might be alright. Oh, and it's so smooth. It made my hand feel like I put a coat of velvet on the back of it. And it doesn't have a scent. See, this is for oily skin. This foam is silicone free with water, capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Okay, I'm going to have to give this a try and let y'all know. That feels good. That feels really good. Okay, let me put I'm in a talkative mood, y'all. Okay, that's that Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet. $32. If that's good, I'm going to hate it because I'm going to have to get it. I like the way that feels. Now it feels matte. Okay, the next thing I see here is this. I don't know what it is. Let me let y'all get a close look at it. It says Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara. Instantly creates looks and lash extensions with Dragon Lash Mascara. It says it's $18. The Queen Collection. Or Queen. Oh. I just wasn't real excited because I got a lot of mascaras. So, yeah. Let me show. Oh, I like that one though. You know what? I take that back. The one looks kind of like that Urban Decay mascara, except it don't have a little ball. I can't think of the name of it. I used it the other day, and it's not as thick. Okay, I take that back. I'm cool with you, Queen. And how much was that? That was, oh, I said $18. My bad. The next thing sitting here on top, oh, a Natasha Denona palette. Natasha Denona That's what it came in. And oh, okay. It's a new one. It's a new one. Let's see what this says. Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. A special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm featuring 5 pigmented neutral cool tone shades. It says it's $48. Okay. The Ayana. Is that what it says? Ayana? Okay. Alright. Well, I think I got the red palette in this size. Or it's cherry. But I'm cool. You can't never have too many. I'm glad I got this. Y'all know why? Because I had that silver looking palette, the last one she came out with, and I didn't get it because it looked like it was too cool tone for me. So this will satisfy me and make me happy about, you know, having this, because at least I'm cool, because I didn't need all of those little bitty shadows or all those cool tone palettes. So yeah. Thank you, Boxy. Yeah, I'm keeping Boxy, y'all. My mind just made up. I was flip-flopping, but I'm good. I'm good. I'm good with Boxy. The next thing I see in here is Manicador Pluck It. Oh, now okay. This says Manicador Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. It's time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains 1 slanted tweezer for precision plucking and 1 pointed tweezer to isolate the single hair. $18. You can't never have enough tweezers. Even though I got like 15 different pairs, I ain't gonna open this, y'all. I'm just gonna put it on my when I need it side. And I'm cool with Manicador because I received a few products this summer, last summer. Yeah, I got this blush set, and I received this powder. Clear powder. So I'm liking it. And now they got their own tweezers. Okay. And they at Ulta, y'all. So I'm not mad at Boxy for that. Boxy did good. Let me pat them on the back, you know, virtually. You know, look virtual. Okay, quit tripping. Okay, the last thing in my box for this month is a vitamin C mask. Y'all, I didn't mean to get discouraged, but I got so much skincare you wouldn't understand. Okay, this is what this looks like. And it says it's Georgette Killinger Vitamin C Mask. Revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with this powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect the skin and prevent facial radical damage while boosting collagen and protection. It says it's $36. Georgette. I never heard of this company, but this I'm not excited about because, like I said, I got 3 vitamin C's now. 2 open. No, I got 3 open. Yeah, I got 3 open and I got 4 I haven't even touched. So this just is a me problem, not anybody else's problem. Anybody else that's not as obsessive and compulsive and, you know, gather stuff like me probably would be happy to have this vitamin C. So I'm going to put it over in the side in my must use soon box. Well, must use, not soon, because it's going to take me a while to get through. But I got Fresh, a Clearance, and a Skin Fix vitamin C. That's already open. So anyway, that's it for this month's box, y'all. So I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm cool with Boxycharm. Everybody left, y'all. I'm sorry, I know y'all missed this month. And yeah, I put a total somewhere in here somewhere how much this box was totally for $25. This here alone would have got my $25, just this palette. Everything else was like a bonus and was free. Okay, I'm done talking, y'all. I hope y'all had a wonderful, blessed Thursday. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.